Jamal. It was a crazy day, y'all. It's your boy Rashad Jamal, aka Divine Insight. All right. Peace to all the guys and goddesses of Planet Kai. It's imperative that I start this quick little vlog off with the right spiritual energy. So once again, I want to say peace to all the guys and goddesses of Planet Kai. Peace meaning positive energy always creates elevation. All right. So with that being said, today is day 5. Day number Fino with no Nino. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all been keeping up, y'all know what we got going on right now. You know, we're practicing semen retention for all of November for all the gods. You know, this is going to help us to unlock the root chakra. I know a lot of y'all been really looking forward to these meditation videos. Stay patient, class. Stay focused. They are coming. But like I say, I didn't want to make this too long. All right. Definitely more drops, more information coming. Feel free to catch our Facebook Live lectures. You know, click the link below in the description. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up because this is YouTube and it helps the algorithm. All right. So with that being said, I love y'all. I'm staying strong, fellas. I'm staying strong. I feel good right now. I feel radiant. I feel masculated, you know, emasculated even more. You know what I'm saying? My buddy grew like my hair. My hair growing fast. So when I say buddy, I don't even mean cash. See, y'all think about cash. Cash is simple. I'm talking about the real money, which is knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. All right, but with that being said, peace to the guys and goddesses, man. I love y'all. Leave as I come on positive energy. Love.